NEC Article 384 addresses panel boards, and Section 384.24 specifically covers wiring methods. This section outlines the acceptable wiring methods for subpanels. Regarding conductors, they must be insulated and sized according to NEC Tables 310.15b16 and 310.15b17. They must be protected from physical damage and must be accessible for maintenance and repairs. When using conduit and tubing, it must be installed in accordance with NEC Article 358. It must provide adequate protection from damage. It must be supported according to NEC Article 300. Conduit and tubing may be used for raceways, such as conduit electrical metallic tubing, or a flexible metallic conduit, or cables, such as non-metallic building wire or underground feeder cable. For busways, they must be installed in accordance with NEC Article 368. They must be adequately rated for the current carrying capacity, and they must be supported according to NEC Article 300. Other wiring methods include flexible cables, such as armored cable or metal-clad cable, that may be used in certain cases, such as where flexibility is required. Surface metal raceways may be used for exposed wiring, and non-metallic raceways may be used for indoor use. Additional requirements include that neutral conductors must be properly sized and marked. Grounding conductors must be connected to the grounding busbar. Equipment grounding conductors must be connected to the equipment grounding terminal bar. Splices and terminations must be made in accordance with NEC Article 110.14. This article provides requirements and guidelines for electrical installations. NEC Table 310.15b16 provides the allowable ampacities of insulated conductors rated up to and including 2000 volts, 60 degrees Celsius through 90 degrees Celsius, in free air, based on ambient air temperatures of 30 degrees Celsius. NEC Table 310.15b17 provides the allowable ampacities of insulated conductors rated up to and including 2000 volts, 60 degrees Celsius through 90 degrees Celsius, not more than 3 current carrying conductors in a raceway or cable or earth, based on ambient air temperatures of 30 degrees Celsius. NEC Article 358 covers electrical metallic tubing, which is a type of raceway used for protecting and routing electrical wiring. It outlines the requirements for its installation, support, and use. NEC Article 300 provides general requirements for wiring methods and materials. It covers topics such as wiring in ducts, raceways, and cables, as well as requirements for support, protection, and grounding. NEC Article 368 covers busways, which are prefabricated electrical distribution systems consisting of busbars within an enclosure. It specifies requirements for their installation, support, and protection. NEC Article 110 provides general requirements for electrical installations, including requirements for splices and terminations. Section 110.14 specifically addresses electrical connections, including the proper methods for making splices and terminations to ensure reliable and safe electrical connections. The proper selection and installation of conductors is critical for the safe and reliable operation of electrical systems. Ensuring conductors are adequately sized prevents overheating and potential fire hazards. The insulation type must be suitable for the environmental conditions and voltage level. Physical protection safeguards conductors from damage that could compromise their integrity. Accessibility is necessary for routine maintenance, inspections, and repairs. Conduit and tubing offer a robust method for protecting electrical conductors. Proper installation, as detailed in NEC Article 358, ensures the raceway system is mechanically sound and provides continuous protection. Adequate support prevents sagging or displacement, which can stress conductors and connections. Busways offer a compact and efficient means of distributing power. Compliance with NEC Article 368 ensures the busway is appropriately rated for the intended load and is installed in a manner that provides both mechanical and electrical safety. Flexible cables offer versatility in applications where movement or vibration is a factor. Adhering to the NEC guidelines for their use ensures these cables are appropriately applied and protected. Surface metal raceways provide a convenient solution for exposed wiring runs, offering both protection and a neat appearance. Non-metallic raceways are suitable for indoor applications where environmental conditions are less demanding. Neutral conductors play a crucial role in carrying the return current in an electrical circuit. Proper sizing and identification are essential for maintaining balanced system operation and preventing voltage imbalances. Grounding conductors provide a low impedance path for fault currents, helping to protect personnel and equipment from electrical shock hazards. Connecting these conductors to the grounding busbar ensures a solid grounding system. Equipment grounding conductors serve to ground non-current carrying metal parts of electrical equipment, further enhancing safety by providing a path for fault currents to return to the source. Proper terminations and splices are vital for maintaining the integrity of electrical connections. NEC Article 110.14 provides detailed guidelines for making these connections in a safe and reliable manner. The NEC provides a comprehensive set of standards for electrical installations. Familiarity with these standards and adherence to the requirements is essential for all electrical work. Understanding the specific requirements for subpanel wiring methods as outlined in NEC Article 384 is critical for ensuring safe and compliant installations. Consulting with a qualified electrician is always recommended for any electrical work to ensure that all applicable codes and standards are met. This ensures safety and compliance, mitigating potential risks associated with electrical systems. By carefully considering these factors and adhering to the NEC guidelines, one can ensure safe and reliable electrical installations. This promotes safety for both people and property. Electrical work can be dangerous, so always follow the rules and seek assistance from a professional when needed. It is essential to ensure safety and compliance with electrical codes. Careful planning and execution are important for any electrical project. Always prioritize safety when working with electricity. Understanding electrical codes is critical for anyone working with electrical systems.